Okay, I'm going to give this camera one more try. It's about 42 degrees it says on here. That's usually a couple of degrees high. I have to go get some bird seed. So I'm going to run into town and pick up some bird seed. And to do that, I'm going to use my Freedom trailer. Yeah, this is a Can-Am trailer hitch and wiring harness. Yes, I'm sure it's a little more expensive, but it has served me very well. Local dealer, Donahue Super Sports, installed it. Solid. Okay, we're ready to head into town. I changed the location of the microphone, moved it up closer to the rear speaker, so maybe I should try while I'm thinking about it.
Hello.
Trailer's coming along.
In 800 feet, turn right onto County Highway A, County Highway B. In a quarter mile, merge onto US 10 West.
Okay.
Continue on US 10 West for 13 miles.
Okay. You can see there's still a lot of snow out here. Put the visor down. Probably be able to hear me a little better now. We still have a lot of snow on the ground, somewhere around a foot in most places. Big old tree coming down. Well, I hope this video finds you healthy and your family safe. We are practicing social distancing, and seems like a good time to take a little bike ride since it's been 1 month since that last section of the video that I started with. Pond is wide open. Temperature is about 46 here in central Wisconsin. Most of the snow is gone. Yeah, I tried to make that video last month, and my camera died after about, I forget what it was, 7 minutes or so. It just will not hold a charge. So I ended up purchasing a new Prism Tube Wi-Fi from Amazon. Had that shipped in, but Mother Nature decided to bring winter back. So for the last month, it just hasn't been a good time to be out on the bike. I didn't dress for a long ride, but you can take a little one and just check out the camera, get some miles on the bike, charge the battery again. I keep it on a tender all the time. And it has been starting right up, so that's not an issue as far as I know. Lake Myers. Typical little pothole lake that we have many of around here. The river is up and running pretty good. Horses. Well, they raise pheasants here. I didn't realize that. I don't know if you can see them. They got a lot of them. It stretches way back to the side of the hill there. There are a few pheasant farms right in this area. I'll go up and see another pheasant farm. Nice little restored gas station here on the corner. Very neat. Not a gas station any longer, of course. Okay. Now this thing is usually full of pheasants, but there are none here, so nothing happening in that one so far. Some more folks walking up here. I got the dog with them. We'll be taking it easy. Another little pothole lake down there. They're jogging. May not have heard me yet. It's okay. A lot of people out taking walks. They just obviously don't want to sit in the house all day, just like I don't. So you get out and do a few things.